Hi everyone, Adrian here. Do you think that it's possible to change fundamentally the way you're searching information on the web? Today I'm going to present you the new Bing chat inside Edge browser from Microsoft. Let's start. The new Bing has been launched by Microsoft in February 2023. It is important to understand that it was not accessible for all users. It was available only to a select group of users. You had to register to a waiting list, and afterwards you received access. You got the chance to use Bing Chat inside Edge browser. Let's look at the current situation regarding the search engines worldwide. I have found this website, statista.com. You may observe here that the leader for worldwide visits is google.com. That from February to April 2023, you'll see that they still have 83.9 billion visits in April 2023. It all relates to market share. When we compare all competitors, you'll see that Google is the biggest search engine worldwide, with more than 85% of total searches. The situation didn't change. The second is Bing. So Microsoft is trying now to challenge the leadership role in desktop search engines from Google with this package using Microsoft Edge and the new Bing inside Edge. There are some prerequisites that you need to take into consideration. First of all, you need the newest version of the browser, and you can check by going to those three dots, and afterwards, if you find that the Microsoft Edge is up to date, you're good to go. Starting May 2023, the waiting list is no longer applicable and became available for all users. The second prerequisite is to have Microsoft account and to sign in to it. It is mandatory to have a Microsoft account and you'll have to log in, otherwise it won't work. After verifying that you have the latest version of Edge browser, we may search for Bing. You'll observe that there is new icon, the B sign on it, or open a new tab, simply press the magnifying glass icon and you will be directed to the Microsoft Bing search page. Let's start to see what is offering here. You have also the possibility to use a shortcut and to use the Dictation, Windows and H, the new Bing. I'll press enter and I'll go to chat. Once I go to the chat, the Bing chat page opens and it starts already to generate answers. I'll stop responding. I'll press the new topic button to clean the page. I'll use again the dictation. Compare Bing AI and Bard. I'll press send. And let's see what the answer might be. So as you can see, it's already creating the answer. Where else can I find Bing is available anytime here. And if I press it, I can simply use the conversation from here. And we can ask anything. Thanks for watching.